extended ASCII are any character set that is longer, 8 bits or longer, where the first 7 bits are identical to that of the ASCII character set. So there's lots of extended ASCII sets, and they're probably the most common type of character set you'll get in computers. But what that means is the first effectively 128 combinations, so 0 to 127 in binary, is an exact match for the 7-bit ASCII set. So it's like having a different character set which includes ASCII, and they are known as extended ASCII. So the smallest character sets you'll see that can be called extended ASCII are 8 bits long, because they've got to have the 7 bits for ASCII, but then they might have an additional bit. And alternatively to that, you could go further. You could have 16-bit extended ASCII, 24-bit extended ASCII, 32-bit extended ASCII. If you look here, I don't know why I've duplicated this row, but don't worry. So this is ASCII, 7 bits, 128 characters. If you add an 8th bit, you suddenly got double, 256 characters. We know how binary works. If you go all the way to 16 bits per character, we've got 65,500 characters. So you can start to see where that is a lot of characters, different languages, different symbols, all sorts, mathematical symbols, whatever. Then 24 bits, you've got, I don't even know how big that number is, 16 million. 16 million characters, and then 32 bits. That's just crazy. Okay, so you can see extended ASCII, you can see why these character sets exist. And if you're clever enough, you'll start to realize that it's really important that you try and include the ASCII character set, because loads and loads of old documents and things, because remember, ASCII came around in 1981, loads and loads of old stuff, and commonly, because most computers have continued to use ASCII, are encoded with 7-bit ASCII. So if you have a character set on your computer that isn't extended ASCII, that doesn't include that default ASCII 7-bit, you could open an old document and it won't transition correctly to say, oh, this is the letter A, this is letter B, because your computer doesn't read data in the same way. Okay, so extended ASCII are the most common types of character sets, and they include the first 7 bits being identical to that of the ASCII table.